The MFH for high efficiency and high feed machining. The MFH cutter reduces chattering and is available for a wide range of applications. Convex edge design reduces cutting forces at initial impact with the workpiece. The MFH has 3 types of inserts for a variety of machining options. Introducing 3 different types of chip breakers, the GM for general use, LD for large AP, and FL with wiper edge. The GM type insert is the first recommendation for general use. It is suitable for cycle time reduction. This is a comparison with the conventional style cutter. The GM type insert shows superior machining efficiency. Case study: the GM chip breaker shows excellent performance compared to the competitor. The GM type insert is available for various applications such as helical milling, plunging, and ramping. The LD type insert is suitable for both large AP and high feed machining. As you see, when removing scale from a workpiece, the first pass is at a large AP. But high feed machining is available from the second pass. The LD type insert is suitable for both large AP and high feed machining. The FL type insert is suitable for smaller type machining centers with low rigidity. The FL type insert has a wiper edge for finer surface finishes. For insert grades, in addition to PR1525 for steel and PR1510 for cast iron machining, we have CA6535 for nickel-based heat-resistant alloy and martensitic stainless steel, and PR1535 for titanium alloy and precipitation-hardened stainless steel. This is the wear resistance comparison of PR1525 and CA6535. Wear progress is slower even after machining the same amount of time. Face mill, end mill, and modular heads are available to cover a variety of machining requirements. Consider the MFH for the future of high efficiency and high feed machining.